So, Your Honor, I had to subpoena Wanda Moore to the stand, Your Honor. She is going to testify that her daughter is a thief. She wanted to clear it up, Your Honor, but her daughter was a thief, and she wanted to clear it up, her side of the story, Your Honor. But I had to subpoena Wanda Leach to the stand because Marcel Scott, lives, advised, whatever you want to call him, said that Teresa, his wife, had never been arrested. As you know, he had indicated in the deposition with the counsel of Trinity here that he had been arrested for 4 times. I think one time for pollution in the car, one time because he was walking between some police cars. The next time, that dilapidated building, said the building was burnt down. He was a slum landlord. And the 4th time, he said he didn't have no insurance or license or something with M&M Pooh. M&M means Maurice and Marceau Pooh. So, Wanda Moore is the mother here. Counselor Trinity, I got this one. Let me handle this one. BT got this one. Yeah, I got a long history with her. I broke the case, Your Honor. They had a shoplifter ring going on down there in the project of Bessemer, Alabama. But it was all over the South, Your Honor. From Bessemer all over the South. She had recruited little underage kids, allegedly, Your Honor. She recruited kids to steal. But here's her side. Here's her testimony. You got anything to say, Counselor Trinity? No, BT, I'm going to let you have this one, BT. I wasn't around, BT. I'm going to let you have this one. Thank you, Counselor Trinity. As you know, Counselor Trinity right here will be taking my seat in the courtroom. This is my last year. I'm retiring. She's been training under me, but I'm telling you, that girl done oversee to me now. Ooh, the Lord, she's good. She's good.
She was trying to keep him quiet. And she kept on acting a fool in the best, so she gave, he pulled one of these.
She got this one. Yeah, I got a long history with her. I broke the case, Your Honor. They had a shoplifter ring going on down there in the project of Bessemer, Alabama. But it was all over the South, Your Honor. From Bessemer all over the South. She had recruited little underage kids, allegedly, Your Honor. She recruited kids to steal. But here's her side. Here's her testimony. You got anything to say, Counselor Trinity? No, BT, I'm going to let you have this one, BT. I wasn't around, BT. I'm going to let you have this one. Thank you, Counselor Trinity. As you know, Counselor Trinity right here will be taking my seat in the courtroom. This is my last year. I'm retiring. She's been training under me, but I'm telling you, that girl done oversee to me now. Ooh, the Lord, she's good. She's good.
she was trying to keep him quiet. And she kept on acting a fool in the vest. So she gave, and when he pulled one of these little.
Which this is the evidence. She put that baby in a stroller. And according to some witness, that they start training these children while they in the basket. I mean the basket, the stroller. Yeah, Your Honor. Yeah, Your Honor. They start training them before they started walking. She gonna tell you that listen at her now. The baby in the stroller ain't even walking yet, and her daughter Letitia Latifah stealing with the baby in the basket. Now, Your Honor, how are these people is going to be an example on love and marriage hospital? Yeah, Carlos King is the producer. Carlos King, we need to put you on the stand because these people do not represent black excellence. All right, take it away, Wanda.
The teddy bears, and he started playing with the teddy bear.
Right.
The teddy bear was like $24.99, and teacher asked, he was very quiet at the time, so she actually forgot that he had the teddy bear.
Right.
And then she walked out the store after she was going to shop all the way around the store, doing a lot of shopping that day, and she forgot that he had the teddy bear. This white guy, as a precious ass white guy, came behind her and told her and so about the teddy bear. And she don't pay for it. She said, "Oh, I actually forgot that he had this teddy bear in here. So yeah, I pay for it. It's no problem. I don't have no problem paying for it. Now you can walk out the door, visit and blah blah this and blah blah this." Which that was not.
Your Honor, we might say that we give a girl a pass. Because it's a possibility, Your Honor, that she could have forgot to pay for the teddy bear. But that husband said it was some lipstick, some cosmetic. Then later on, she changed it to cosmetic. Which one was it? Which one was it, Wanda? Wanda, which one was it? Was it the cosmetic or was it the teddy bear? Now, which one was y'all stealing allegedly? Now, Your Honor, I got something else to say too. Now, she have a record, Your Honor. Not once, not twice, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or I could go on and on. Your Honor, that she got a record. Yeah, Your Honor, she do. Well, let me take a look at this. Yeah, I see she got an extensive record, yeah. I see that, yeah. Well, how is that gonna be black excellent if she's a thief? Yeah. She's a thief, Your Honor. She sure is. This is her mother. According to the record, her mother is the head macho. The head macho stealer. Oh, yeah, she trained her daughter. Now they training the grandson. That's my theory. They're training the grandkids to steal and to lie. Your Honor, say for example, tell you how right now they got them doing hair product. They got them girls lying that the hair, this product that grew their hair. And they've been which in that batch of whatever that is they got in it, because our teacher won't tell us the ingredients. Said that product been growing their hair since they were little, Your Honor. But that's a lie, Your Honor, because some dates that she put out, the children weren't even born yet. Ooh. Well, Miss BT, do you know if them two girls was still into it? They had them two girls. I don't know, BT. They said it was the oldest son that they had in the stroller, basket, what have you. Well, let's hear what the grandmama is saying. Thank you very much, BT. You may proceed, witness. Would you state your name? My name is Wanda Lisa.
Whatever, however it went down. And called the police. Police was called. She was cussing. But she wasn't cussing. She was fussing. And
Your Honor, my record shows that She give false names also, Your Honor, but she been down to the police station. We catch her so many times, Your Honor, till we know her. She ain't got to give us her name. We know her when we say Latifah, 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 Latifah Moore, Letitia Scott Moore, Letitia Moore Scott. Yeah, Your Honor. She gets so many aliens. Oh. Besides stealing, Your Honor, she's been charged with a drug charge as well. Yeah, possession. Allegedly, Your Honor. Thank you very much, BT. You may proceed, Wanda.
And they end up wanting to take her to jail. Y'all will get to jail, right? Y'all can see taking her to jail for being whatever word.
Disrespectful.
Yeah. So of course, white people don't stick together like we should do. But of course, we would never stick together. We would never be as one. Never.
Right.
And it's sad to say we can never be together. And they always want to throw on what I'm doing because I'm on the TV show. I do things because I'm on a TV show. I am on a reality TV show. So we get paid. It's just like a job I'm doing. But anyway, to make a long story short, Tisha got into it with one of the managers, one of the security, whatever he is there. And they ended up taking her to jail.
For disorderly conduct. Right, for disorderly conduct.
So she ended up going to jail for no reason at all. And if you look on her charges, what do they have on there? No charges here.
I object. Your Honor, Your Honor. BT, will you sit down, BT? Why you keep on interrupting? Your Honor, I got to say this, Your Honor. She lying, Your Honor. She lying. That is not what the paper said. I got the paper. Read it off, Your Honor. Read it off what she did. Let me see here. Yep. Well, Mrs. Wonder, you know that you under oath. You have obligated to tell the truth, Wanda. But seems here you said disorderly conduct. She has not been charged with disorderly conduct. She's been charged with stealing, possession, and maybe that is disorderly conduct. Look at this. Fight, busting out windows. Oh. And Your Honor, may I add that she bust these windows out with her babies in the car. Infant. Then she had to get another charge because she had the baby in the car with her right there fighting. Ooh, was she busting out the window with the baby in the car? Miss Moore, shame you. What have you taught your daughter? You've got a record too for stealing too. You got a felony. What have you taught your daughter and your grandkids to steal? Shame on you. I'll throw the books on you. What kind of grandmama and mama was you? Yeah, Your Honor. Menace to society. That's what she is, Your Honor. But, all right, Your Honor. I think we better put on the CC. Let's put the CC on, Your Honor, so we can understand our translator. Okay. Got the translator on. Okay, Your Honor. Yeah. That's all I got from there. Okay, you may proceed. Wonder more, but shame on you, thief.
Right.
There's no malpractice, no charge. But for the bloggers to bring this out to say that, Tisha had charges against her. Don't lie on no one. I hate that. We are black folks. We need to stick together. When they do see a charge, why don't you have to fight with a white guy or something like that? But it's just sad for these people to do this to her. But me personal, I don't give a damn what they say about Wanda. But let me tell you this right here myself.
Yes.
That's just Wanda got a felony. That wasn't no thing. I got a felony, but I've been working for Jefferson County. Down here.
Well, Wanda, she worked for the school system. Is that right? Yeah, well, work for the school system. Congratulations on giving you another chance in life. Gave you another chance in life. Congratulations. You may proceed, Wanda. Your Honor, Your Honor, I don't know how she got that job, Your Honor, working around our children because I have evidence of her bullying a little baby called Sugar Mama. Yeah, Your Honor, Sugar Mama. She has no regard for children. That's what she called them. She has no regard for children. Miss Sugar Mama, she bullied a little baby, ain't even hardly barely walking, Your Honor. Year after year, we watched her. That's why they kicked her off. Love and Mary Huntsville, Your Honor. Really? Really, BT? Really? Did you do that? Yeah, Your Honor. And also, Your Honor, if you want to talk about the stealing, that was in the past, Your Honor. But what she did was accuse her cousin Kiki of being the thief. But next, Kiki gonna testify on our behalf and let you know what really happened. But to make a long story short, then I'm gonna let you get back to this. Wanda is a menace to society. She don't have no business being around our children, Your Honor. Nobody's children. And I think she got two right now that she raised. God forbid, Your Honor. God forbid. All right, Your Honor. That's all I can think of, Your Honor. You know, something else was on my mind, but my Alzheimer kicked in. That's why I got my counselor over there to remind me of certain things.
In Birmingham for the last 20 years. That happened they say it happened in 1992. How many Wonder Moles y'all got out there? There's a lot of, my name is very, very common. Did they show the mud shot? Heck no. The reason why they didn't show the mud shot? Because it wasn't Wanda. That's the reason why they didn't show the mud shot. They showed everybody else mud shot, but it wasn't Wanda. So, get on that down to it. That is a lie. Whoever this big ass lady is talking about, she from Bessemer, some kind of
Black Titan.
Black what?
Black Titan. She says she's from Bessemer.
She is. Well, her no talking ass gonna get on that. Yeah, it was Wanda. I took on there, and it was Wanda. She couldn't even get a date of birth. She couldn't even give me the date of birth. Look on there. Y'all go back and see what date of birth did she give. It was 1992, and it most definitely was one I looked on my Facebook page. Girl, back. It's so many.
Hopefully.
Oh, Lord, did I lose that?
You just lost the picture. I can still hear you. I can still hear you. So put your camera back on. So y'all, what Miss Wanda is saying that Tisha went into a store and her son was in the shopping cart making noise, and she picked up and gave him a bear. And she said that when she...
MJ. That's a shame. He's a teenager now. In the whole world, whole school, everybody knows that this boy been stealing before he got a chance to walk. Now, every time MJ walk around in school, children gonna know. They're gonna know. But it's not still in the past, Your Honor, because they doing the expo, and they just stole the expo idea, took it and ran with it in Huntsville, took it and ran with it in Atlanta. They stole these people's ideas. Now they, since they own Love and Marriage Huntsville, they have took it to another level, Your Honor. What? Yeah, Your Honor, yeah, serious. They have taken it to another level. She stole the concept of the Black Expo, and so the people that collaborated with them sit down and brainstorm with them is upset. So I will represent that in evidence, but the young lady named Marcella, this is who she's Your Honor, Marcella is giving interviewing Wanda, but for the record, Your Honor, I don't have no problem with Marcella. I disagree with her a lot. But for the record, Marcella, serious, I don't have no problem with you, Marcella. I really don't.
Was approached about the bear after she finished shopping. She went out, she went back in, she paid for the bear. But then the guy kept saying he didn't want the money. He didn't want the money. And so she started arguing with the security guard and they arrested her, but they did not file any charges on her. She did not have any charges. If you look at it, it doesn't have any charges up there, okay? She was shopping, and all of us have walked out the store and haven't paid for something. So,
oh, don't tell that lie. Oh, Judge. Now I have to draw the line right there. You getting fake testimony that all of us don't walk out the door. Well, all of us are not thieves, y'all. So, Your Honor, that's it. She have admitted that her daughter is a thief. She can sugarcoat it, Your Honor. She can flip it, turn it upside down. She can change her color from black to white. But the evidence still stands. The testimony of her interviewing and this mama shows that her daughter is a thief. Now, Your Honor, that's why I went back and pulled those records on the paper because she said it was no record. She said it never happened. It was a mistake. They paid for it, and that was it. All right, counsel. Let me hear from the next witness. Your next witness. Next.
Sorry. To my mother, I'm sorry. To the victim, I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry. Oh, Your Honor, I'm sorry. To my mother, I'm sorry. To the victim, I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Your Honor, may I approach the bench? Yes, you may. Yeah, Your Honor, I'm just sick and I'm just tired of these people, Your Honor. I'm tired of them. All righty now. Well, state your case. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Say it, but no cussing word, and I meant that. Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I apologize, but that's my other assistant. Your Honor. He just sped up. He got something to say. And I'm so grateful that you will allow him to approach the bench, Your Honor. BT, sit down somewhere. BT, sit down. Thank you, Your Honor. I will. Order in this court.
Is I don't curse him out, and as long as I don't threaten him, I can say what I want. Am I correct? Yes. We sick and tired of that. As I don't curse him out, and as long as I don't threaten him, I can say what I want. Am I correct? Yes. We sick and tired of that.
Your Honor, pardon me, Your Honor, but I'm Trinity. I do have at the last minute, Your Honor, I found a witness to evidence, Your Honor, to let you know that they are still stealing. You cannot tell nothing around them because they will steal from you. Shout out to jury number, is it jury number 15?
All right, Trent. Okay, shout out to the jury, to juror number 15. Tay. Her name is Tay Talks. What? Jury number 15. Your guest can proceed on with her evidence and her testimony. What is her name, counselor?
Her name is Dr. Mike.
Thank you, Counselor Trinity. You may be seated and go on with the testimony, Dr. Miller.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What happened? I don't recall being contacted since then. I don't want to spoil it. Y'all go check out Show Styles in Spirit. It is too much. So I'm going to start this off with this. Basically, a person by the name of Christopher Quest.
Do you know you could be entitled to a 5 or 6 figure payout if you were in a traffic collision within the past 2 years? Yes, even if you weren't the driver. Just click on the link around this video to discover how much you're entitled.
Marceau and Letitia publicly, all right, and he tagged a young lady named Jasmine Young, okay? And this is how it started. Marceau Scott, Letitia Scott, didn't Jasmine Young and I sit with you over dinner and discuss us all doing this event together since we, the Financial Literacy Institute, had already done it 2 years successfully prior in Atlanta? We literally had you and Melody as hosts, as speakers at our first year's event, which I asked you both personally to attend since we are college alumni. What happened? I don't recall being contacted since that sit down. I'm confused and otherwise offended by this. I saw the one in Huntsville and thought they'll contact us about collaboration, and now this? Brother and sister, please explain. Then they go on to say, and I am only addressing this publicly because this post has been made public, so it's necessary. Jasmine is outdone and infuriated since we literally explained our blueprint to you only to see it duplicated on international television without our knowledge or permission. Moreover, you know I'm a man of standard, integrity, and respect. I wouldn't come to you in this fashion unless I deemed it fit and necessary. I say, ooh, child. They are pissed. So it looks like Marceau and Letitia are up to the same shit, y'all. Stealing people's ideas. Do they have a freaking original thought in their fucking body? Like, seriously, these people are such lames. They're horrible entrepreneurs. They don't have this good business acumen. And they forever trying to copy and paste somebody else's idea. And then guess what they always do? They do it horribly because they ain't built for this ish. They're horrible. They nothing but lazy mofos that try to come up without putting work in. That's them. All right, y'all. So listen, it goes on further. So Marceau tags Tisha, all right, and says that they're both